I had a very terrible diet. I would carry a Pepto-Bismol bottle in my backpack to and from work, and I would go through a bottle just about every week. That's how severe my indigestion and stomach issues were. Really, after reading the China study, I reached a point of no return. In the medical industry, where we're treating illnesses and symptoms with modern medicine, finding out that we could actually prevent some of that progression of disease and sickness. I really wanted to be part of that movement. What we're doing is at the front, it's a food service. So we provide a weekly in-home meal prep that's entirely whole foods, plant-based. And it's for individuals who are looking to make lifestyle change, but more specifically, we want to work with patients of physicians who are interested in using food as medicine. We present them with a menu each week, and then we have someone come and do the cooking for them. And this business is really a homage to the love I have for my family and to my culture and the food that I grew up with that I lost track of.